In a world of ever-advancing technology and finance, where boundaries are being pushed every second, a new force is emerging. Welcome to an era defined by Credo, the leading distributed multi-party computation wallet for institutions. It's not just a platform, it's a revolution, standing at the forefront of a new age, the age of real-world assets infrastructure, carving a pioneering path towards tokenization. Picture this, a bustling city skyline, buildings towering high as the birthplace of a new frontier. Above it all, invisible threads of secure digital transactions weave a network. That network is Credo. Our story unfolds with the real-world assets at its core. Properties, commodities, securities, once confined to the physical realm, now breaking their chains, transforming into digitized tokens. Step into the brave new world of manageability and liquidity made possible by RWA tokenization. But with great power comes great complexity. The age-old struggle, the guardian of assets, custody. How does one protect the sanctity of these decentralized components? The answer lies with Credo, an epic hero in the saga of digital finance. Its unrivaled strength lies in its comprehensive and secure infrastructure, simplifying and securing management of tokenized RWAs. Watch as Credo, armed with its resilient technology, ascends into this digital tapestry, creating order from chaos, providing a safety net for the financial world, teetering on the cutting edge of innovation. It is here where the true journey toward RWA tokenization begins, viewed through the lens of solving custody. So, brace yourselves and behold the power of Credo, unabashedly writing the next chapter in the book of digital finance. Let the era of Credo begin.